Sensex has opened 200 points lower. Nifty has also opened in the red. My colleague Hina Gambhir joins us on the broadcast with the details. Hina, today the Trump tariff comes into effect. With that, there's also an announcement, of course, of additional tariff that will come into effect in 21 days. The markets have opened up in the red.
Well, that's right. And this was pretty much the expectation also, that there is going to be some tension that we will see among the investors. Now with Donald Trump, in fact, doubling the tariff on India, even though from today the reciprocal tariffs come into effect, the amount is going to be 25% only, because this additional 25% that was announced by Donald Trump, which makes it 50% in total, this 25% is going to come into effect 21 days from now. So from around 27th of August, additional 25% will be coming into effect. But total is 50%, and that is something that is spooking the investors right now. Even though yesterday the government came out with a statement trying to allay concerns that, for us, national interest is going to be of utmost importance. We'll have to wait and watch if some concrete steps are taken by the government to ensure that, Indian exporters do not have to face 50% tariffs, because the people that we have spoken to, especially the exporters, they are of the view that if you talk about 50% as tariff, then there can't be any trade. I mean, a US consumer is not going to buy something which has buy an Indian product which has got 50% tariff on it. So trade virtually will become zero. So that is the reason why there is a lot of concern here. And going forward, all eyes, of course, are going to be on how the government really responds. But as of now, it's a sea of red as far as Dalal Street is concerned. Sensex, in fact, has opened about 250 odd points lower. It still remains in red. Even Nifty is down by about 80 odd points right now.
Okay, all right. Hina, thank you for joining us with those details. This is on expected lines. The markets have opened in the red, and we're going to see some uncertainty over the next few days as well as the negotiations go on. But President Trump has often said that many nations have taken advantage of us. He has spoken about the trade tariff not being well enough, being put in place well enough. And we're going to see over the next 21 days the negotiations are going on.